Hello and welcome back to the truck. So we thought we were done with the truck, but turns out it's not done with us. So we're going to put AC power in here, coming in from the mill. We've got a 16 amp connector in the mill. We're going to bring that out to here, consumer unit, breaker box in here, and then a whole bunch of power points so we can put our battery charge for our tools and cameras and everything else on the shelving we've put in here. So this is working out really well with the shelving, but our tools inside are getting charged on a table which is getting so much sawdust falling out of all the beams above. Every time we walk up the stairs, more sawdust falls on them, more junk gets on them. So for expensive camera chargers, it's not really that great. So we want to bring them all in here and make a much better space for all of that, which is also going to allow to keep them waterproof when we've got the walls getting cleaned. So as we clean the walls above there with the steam washer, we're going to have lots of water running down, so we can't have the chargers in there anyway. Do you want to do a drawing? Daddy? Daddy, come up? Careful with those. Careful.
think about these things too much. I mean,
well now.
just do it with a power of one line.
That's our simple charging shelf now done. We have a nice clean spot for all our chargers to sit. No longer getting sawdust falling out of the beams above and landing on top. No longer getting water sprayed on them from when we're cleaning inside. Just stuff goes everywhere. And we really could have done with more power points in here. Like another 6 sockets or so would have been fantastic. But the reality is we don't need all of these chargers plugged in at the same time. We've got more chargers for camera batteries here, which are not plugged in yet. But we don't need to have the quadcopter batteries charging all at the same time as some of the other cameras. They're more of a occasional use, and the same with some of the tools. Like, we're not using the Hikoki stuff at the moment all the time. When we're using the Hikoki nailer constantly, I'm sure we'll have this plugged in, and we might not need, say, the Milwaukee or the DeWalt at the same time, or at least not 2 of each brand. So I think we'll be able to make do, and at least now all of our batteries are nice and clean, nice and tidy, and we've got somewhere to come for batteries rather than just digging through a jumble of wires and chargers all on this tiny little table which is just covered in dirt. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.